Hey, what's going on, everyone? In this video, I want to talk about the Terapeak. It's actually related to eBay. I think eBay bought that thing, and it's connected with eBay actually. Now, let's see how useful it is and what we can do with it. In the overtime, by 2021, there are a lot of change on it. Now we are going to see it. To buy Terapeak, first of all, you have to go to the eBay seller hub, and I will put this link in the description as well, so you can go ahead and see the address. And in that one, what you have to do is you have to click this research. When you click research, you will see this Terapeak product research and all those kind of thing. Now, restock advice, I don't know what that is yet, but here you can purchase the Terapeak. Since I purchased, it's already showing me, but if you don't purchase, it will show you to open a eBay store first, and then after you open the eBay store, it's gonna be you can buy this Terapeak as well, but you can buy together as well. The plan has changed a little bit. I'm gonna show you eBay seller, eBay store plans 2021. Okay, now let's go here. Now you can see this one, eBay store subscription and fees. Okay, here we go, discounts. Here you can see now they introduced a starter pack. If you are very new, it's useful. And then they also introduce enterprise pack. But since you're interested in Terapeak, its basic stuff is good than starter, because if you look at the price for this, it's actually Terapeak. If you look at the basic pack, it included with Terapeak. You can see this one included with Terapeak, this one is not. And the price, if you go for year annual price, it's gonna be a little bit cheap. But if you just want to try out eBay and you're not going to be constant there, then just buy 1 month plan and see whether eBay works for you. But if you're dedicated, eBay works for so many people. But if you stick to it for 1 year, it's gonna have good results in your selling. But it's all about whether you want it or not, or you just want to try for a while. Then you have to go with the starter pack. But to use Terapeak, you have to go to the basic pack. That one includes with Terapeak, and the fees basically, let's go here. Where is that? Drive traffic, and then there for store. Nowadays you have to create the store, so it's basically, if you create the store, it's 4.95 per month with annual subscription, and 21 if you buy basic, 21.95 per month, but it's included with Terapeak. That's the good thing. Okay, now let's go ahead and see the Terapeak. Now to go to the Terapeak, as I mentioned, you have to go to the seller hub, not the eBay address. If you go to the regular eBay, you won't see, you have to go to the seller hub. And if you have a eBay account already, the seller hub, you can sign in with the same name, so it's going to be available for you. And then here we can do the product search. For example, let's say I want to see iPhone. Now they removed a lot of things before, last year, and before that we have like 4-5 things around here. It was really useful for dropshippers and stuff. Now they actually reduced it to just one, and this one I don't even know what's that. What the hell is this? Okay, now let's see. Let's say I want to buy iPhone 6, 64 GB, cell phone and smartphone. Now I am in the ebay.ca, so this is only showing the Canada, and I can see which one has the highest sale. This guy sold so far so much. That's XR actually. XR is 481, free shipping and stuff. Sounds like a good price for an iPhone XR. Like 2 years before, I couldn't get below 600 any iPhone X. Now it's going for 464. it's a good thing. And we are interested in iPhone 664 GB, and here we have one. This is the first result showing on it, and this is selling for like $130, and then charge is $13. So, and also you can see if you sell at this price, this guy sold like two. Wow, actually he sold on 10 of iPhone 6s within a month. Like that we can gather product informations. Like, let's say you are interested in selling a certain product, and you can search for that product and see whether it will sell or not, and you can see what price it's going and what trending, and you can also here see the sale trends. It goes how much, and it's only, I'm just seeing the ebay.ca, but if you can search for all the platform like ebay.com. Ebay.com is wide, very wide. Here you can see very detailedly like what's happening in America. You can see all, you see all the prices in American dollar. Okay, now that's about that. And then also you can just filter the active list by going here. You can just see the one that's active by clicking this. It's going to show you what are the phones that are actually currently active now, and sometimes sold can be active as well. And here you can select new one, you want to search the new one, fixed one, used one, all those kind of stuff. And then you can even filter furthermore here, used, and you want to see whether new with defects, new condition, used for parts are not working. You can find all those kind of information from this, and like that you can search all the products and get good informations. It's actually good because nowadays you can see, compare these prices with actually Facebook marketplaces and stuff, and you can see whether if you buy locally you can make profit with that. You can have an idea about the price that is selling. That's the good thing about Terapeak. Like but you have to make sure you select this high selling items. Like for example, let's say I go to this one. Okay, I remove this one and send search again. Let's go to ebay.ca. ebay.ca 664 GB, and I don't know what's happening. Okay, listing price, and I see high one, the one sold high. Okay, this guy sold 4 of them. I'm just gonna type iPhone alone, so it's gonna have a lot of results. Okay, something wrong happened. Yeah, I'm gonna just go to the website again. I don't know what did I choose. Maybe I chose the active one, that's why it's showing like that. Okay, here just type iPhone, and then total sales. This is the one I'm talking about. Look at the total sale and see which one has highest selling. But don't just go and compete with the highest selling guy. You can go below and see the info, like you can get an idea which one you can sell, and then you can sell item, and it actually pays off. Like if you are just selling at least one item per, if you are listing at least one item per day, it's gonna pay off. The pay is it's gonna pay off more than the subscription fee you are paying for. So it's worth it, but it depends on how often you are using it. That's the thing. Like if you just list one item per day for 30 days, it's gonna be worth it. That's all I want to talk in this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next video.